Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to change address on Halifax bank account online. But before that, your account must meet these requirements so that your account will be closed online. So the account balance is $5 or less. You have another account with us to transfer the closing balance and it has a variable interest rate. So step 1, log into Halifax Online Banking and click on Help and Support in the menu. Step 2, search for Close My Account in the Help section. Step 3 is follow the instructions to submit a request or find the right contact method. Just follow the prompts that you need to do so that you can close your account. And lastly, Halifax may direct you to call customer service or visit a branch to finalize the closure. And when that happens, simply comply to them so that you will be able to close your account. And that's basically it.